Hey, hey boys and girls.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
And yes, guys, for today's video, we're gonna explain on how we build the iron door.
Yes. We've been teasing this one for the last couple episodes, how we're doing iron door. I just think iron door is too expensive. We went shopping the other day, $2,000 to $5,000 on an iron door. I don't think so.
Just an iron door, guys.
Yeah. So what we did was, I went and bought some tubing, 2-inch by 6-inch.
Yes.
Because most doors are 6-inch wide, but they're not 2-inch. But that's all you can get is 2-inch. But behind us, there you go.
There you go.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you. So this door here is going to be just a frame, 6-inch frame, and then we're going to put, like some kind
Design.
of. So if you look at it, it's going to be like this, right?
Yes.
And then we'll put like a 1-inch double glazed charcoal glass in there. So we're excited about getting that done. And then this right here is the door. What do you call it? Door channel or the door? The kick plate, the whole thing. And so we haven't put it together yet. We're going to use hinges. These types of hinges. And I got the round ones. I got to get a little bigger ones. So if you look, it's really easy design, right? So you got your doors. This is your 2x6, and you use the same metal for the strike plate and the hinge plate for the whole door. And then what we put is an 1 by 2-inch door stop. So the door will go in here with the hinges, right?
Yes.
And then they'll have a door stop. And then on the outside here, you'll see right here, there's another 2x6 right here, and that is the flange. So when you take this whole door and you have your cutout and you put it into your door, it'll have a flange and you weld that flange up. So basically, it's real simple. I mean, you see these really fancy doors, and we're building a container right out of metal. Why not build your own door? So
There you go.
There you go. So we settled, 36 is too small, 48 is too big, so we settled for 42. Single door, we didn't want a double door because it's too hard to seal up. And it's too heavy. These things are like 600 pounds when you get done with it. Just the glass itself will be about 50 pounds. So anyway, so stay tuned. We got more to come. We're gonna put this all together for you. I just want to do a teaser for you and show you kind of what we're doing.
Yes, guys.
All right, stay tuned for the next.
For now.
We'll do another video on the door. Ciao for now.